Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry. But behind every powerful AI model lies one critical requirement: high-performance GPU infrastructure. Setting up GPUs means heavy investment, long procurement cycles, and complex maintenance. As AI models grow larger, scaling infrastructure becomes even more difficult. That's where Cyfuture AI GPU as a service changes everything. Access powerful GPU cloud infrastructure instantly, without the cost or complexity of owning hardware. Run workloads on NVIDIA H100, L40S, and V100 GPUs, built for AI, deep learning, and high-performance computing. Deploy in minutes, scale on demand, and manage workloads seamlessly. Experience high-speed NVMe storage, low-latency networking, and AI-optimized infrastructure. From large language models to real-time AI applications, build, train, and deploy at scale. Built in India and aligned with the nation's AI mission, Cyfuture AI delivers secure, enterprise-grade GPU cloud solutions. Accelerate innovation, reduce costs, and scale without limits with Cyfuture AI GPU as a service.